Dungeons of Dredmor is fucking awesome! Do you like roguelikes? Fuck yes you do! Do you like graphics? Holy fucking duh, asshole! Oh, you don't know what a roguelike is? I'll tell you what the fuck it is! It's a hard fucking core genre of dungeon crawler! Why is it hard fucking core? Because if your candy ass goes and gets itself killed, it fucking stays dead! Start the fuck over, dumbass! You know what else? It's fucking turn-based! That's right! It knows it's going to fucking murder you! So it can afford to sit and let you think about how you're going to fuck yourself over next! Holy shit, that's badass! But what makes Dredmor better than any other? It's got fucking mustaches and potatoes that want to kill you! But you don't give a fuck because you've got fucking Viking magic or some shit! Vikings are fucking awesome! It's cheap as shit! Go fucking buy it! Don't have enough cash? Go find an alley and get to sucking so you can put some meaning into your life!